Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see how to create sub pipeline in Jenkins. So one video I have already created. So in this video I'll show you another way of creating sub pipeline that you can call. So now let's get started with today's video. So now let's create a new item. So that will be main pipeline 2. So that will be a pipeline type only. Now let's create. So I'm using same pipeline from my previous video. So here this was the build job that I was running. So here you can see environment, branch and version, then stage, trigger, sub pipeline. So here I'll be using load function to load my sub pipeline from another file. So let's add one more stage, git checkout. So this I'll be first checking out the repo, and in that repo my file is there for another pipeline. So let's copy the URL git repo, paste here. So this will be checkout done. Now write def sub pipeline equals to load and pass the complete path of that file. So this will be in env workspace after checkout. So right after that subpipeline.groovy, but that's the name of the file. After that write subpipeline, and inside that I'll be passing branch and version. So first pass branch, that will be value env branch. After that pass version and write env dot version. So now that's a simple way to call the subpipeline. So here, okay, I need to pass steps here. Steps I have missed. So I think now this pipeline looks fine. So here this sub pipeline we need to create. So let's one add file, and here give same name as of now. This, let's say subpipeline.groovy, and inside that I am defining one function def call, and that will be mapping all the arguments I'm taking as a array and then mapping those arguments to branch and version. So after that one stage is there, prepare output. So here branch and version I have printed. So like that you can create here multiple stages here. So inside the steps will not work because this is a sub pipeline. So here only stage will work. So directly stage and write your code whichever is there. So let's commit this file. Now let's go to main pipeline and give one build. So build started. Let's go to console. So this I think failed. So here you can see create subpipeline.groovy. This commit is fetched. After that triggering subpipeline with the version also it's printed, but here what it's saying can't invoke call on null. Okay, so this is a function basically def call, so I need to return that. So here inside this subpipeline.groovy write return this. That's it. That's the fix for that call. Now let's commit again. Let's go to pipeline and give one more build. Let's go to console. So this build is a success. So here you can see updated pipeline is fetched. Here you can see branch, it's printing now. It's directory also printing. This is in sub pipeline steps. So output directory created and hello from Jenkins also printed. So this build is a success. So that's how you can load another sub pipeline from your Groovy script if you have. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.